I missed the testing.
I took a guess on which one was the.
Oh, okay. And you got that correct? Okay. So it's light first, then wait.
Yeah, that's right. So fan light first.
Okay, then. Gotcha. Okay, yeah, kill it, Jonas.
No, you can leave it.
Oh, you can leave it on. Never mind. Never mind. I had to go test the women's bathroom. I could have tested the men's, but. I really like those stage lights. I wish we could have revived the original stage lights or whatever we're calling them, but
Something I found interesting, not a bad thing, just interesting, driving down through this neighborhood coming to Youth Center, there are so many churches. They are everywhere.
the old joke about Chicago is that every block is church, liquor store, chicken shack. Church, liquor store, chicken shack. Church, liquor store, chicken shack. That's every block in Chicago.
That's great. And I bet a lot of the chicken shacks are fantastic.
Yes. Since he's almost done, I'm gonna. Well, that's nice. We have a working RickSurprise again.
This has been out for a long time.
Yeah.
Close to a year.
And that's no good. Wonder if anybody noticed.
Doubtful, but I mean, I certainly did.
How did you keep people from turning it on?
I took the pull chain off.
Ah, that's fair. Was he made to hand you?
So like only the
Yep. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
So yeah, the question, yeah, what does Jonas do when he wanders off? Ah, he bees right there.
My bee's right here.
Yes.
I'm having fun.
Yeah, youth center is fun. This is just a peaceful place. Like
It is.
me and my uncle talked about that. How like he's slept here many times. So have I, for that matter. I think Rick probably has.
You've slept in here?
Yeah.
I set up like 4 chairs in a row.
It's a very like the atmosphere in here is peaceful.
There's always old jokes about theaters. Have you ever picked up anything like seen something move out of the corner of your eye or anything that suggests there might be a theater ghost? All the old live theaters are said to be haunted because this was definitely a live theater.
I mean, if I'm not certain that I believe in ghosts, but if they do exist, they definitely exist here. They definitely exist at House on the Rock. There's a few places where I'm certain they exist if they exist, and one of them is here. Like
What experience have you had here?
none, but it's been around long enough, and enough has happened here. You know. Plus, if I were McGee Senior, I'd come back and haunt this.
I have enough experiences to know that what they lump together as paranormal is something. I
Yes.
just don't know what it is.
That's fair. Yeah, I'll accept that premise.
Oh, RickSurprise is looking good again.
Yes. He's just
I
tightening.
wonder if some of these blades are sagging worse than they need to be because a lot of these screws are loose.
Yeah.
I thought I tightened them all.
Maybe, maybe not. And then plus they could have come loose again.
Well, all the vibrations, especially on the lower speeds, will do that.
Well, not only that, but think of all the loud music that gets played in here.
That
And this
explains
place-
why things just move around sometimes.
Being called Youth Center, is this mostly a youth outreach church?
Maybe it was when it was founded, and these days it's just whoever.
Pretty old now.
What'd you say?
Blind Phil's pretty old now.
Yeah, well, old people and kids.
And is this mostly a Church of God in Christ type service?
Yes. It's a little less organized than a GMS service, but you may remember that we actually brought Youth Center under the umbrella of Victor Davis, so this is technically a satellite church to GMS now.
Is there only one satellite church of GMS?
Oh no, there's like 30.
Really? Is GMS the head? top church in the group?
Of that group, yes.
Nice.
Because Victor Davis is up for bishop, and we want him to, we want him to.
You said he's up for bishop?
Yes.
And there's a vote?
Yes.
Who else is up for bishop?
I don't know. I'm not that in tune to the Church of God in Christ politics, but he's been up for bishop many times, and he usually gets snubbed because people don't like him because he doesn't play politics the way that other people do. He just wants to pastor for the right reasons. He doesn't want to play all the games.
Well, I'm behind him.
Yes, we all are. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's go and do a brief downstairs tour, and then Jonas and I can take off.
Okay, yeah, let's. I'll